So I'm now coming up to Street Bridges Roundabout, and we're going to go in right, third exit, towards the outlet on Broadway. We're approaching from Barnfield Roundabout, or the B&Q Roundabout, and we're going to be taking the third exit right. All I'm going to be looking at here is positioning on the roundabout so that we can exit safely and in the correct lane. So as I get up to the roundabout, I'm in the right-hand lane for turning right, and then I go onto the roundabout, and as you can see here, we end up now in the right turn lane of the roundabout. What I now do is follow this lane. As you can see, the lane's going to start spiraling me outwards towards the outside of the roundabout, just as we've got here. I can then carry out my exit procedure, and we exit the roundabout here, staying to the left and following it around.